Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. We are continuing with grade 8, paper 2, mathematics. We'll be doing areas today. So let's start with today's lesson. Determine the area of the following triangles. Question A, we have this triangle. So you must remember that the formula of the area of a triangle is half base times height. So in this case, we have a base and then we have the height. One thing I want you to remember between the base and the height, if you have a triangle, if this is a base, this is a height, they always have to be at 90 degrees with each other. So in this case, we have the 90 degrees qualification. So we can simply calculate the area of this triangle as 1/2. The base is 14, the height is 15. So the answer would be 14 times 15 times 1/2 is 105 square units. And then let's go to question B. Question B, you can identify the base as 8 centimeters. The height is 6 centimeters, separated by 90-degree angle or joined by 90 degrees angle. So here the area is half base times height. The base is 8, the height is 6. The answer is half times 8 times 6 is 24 squared centimeters. And then let's come to question C. So this should be question C, this triangle. So in this case, we have a base which is 4. And then when we extend the line of the base, you'll see that the height of this triangle is 10 because of that 90-degree intersection. So the area of this particular triangle is going to be half base, which is 4. The height is 10. So half times 4 times 10 will give us 20 square units. And then for this triangle, we have the base, we have 90 degrees, and you don't have the height. Remember, don't get trapped, don't fall into the trap of saying this is the height. This is not the height, right? However, we can use a 13 to calculate this side by a theorem of Pythagoras. So in this case, the hypotenuse side is 13 squared is equal to the adjacent side is 5 squared plus the height. Let's call it h squared. Now let's calculate. 13 squared is going to be 169 is equal to, then 5 squared is 25 plus h squared. So 169 minus 25. So we're simply going to now solve for h. So 169 minus 25 will give us 144. So if you put square root to both sides, you'll find that h is equal to 12, right? So our height is 12. So we'll come to calculate the area. It's going to be half base times height. Our base is 5. Now that you know that the height is 12. Area is going to be half times 5 times 12, which is going to be 30 square units. Okay, so we'll continue with part B next time. So we'll stop here for today. So stay tuned for that lesson. If you like today's lesson, please subscribe or hit the like button. Stay tuned on the next lesson, and cheers.